I've been cold for so long. One touch and
Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is me King Sam Elisha back to you bringing another video. So today I went all the way in Sadi town just to show you the cows and goats that are in my area, and I'm going to be showing you those, and I'm going to be also telling the prices of the one which I know. So stay tuned and let's see which is the biggest animal we get.
you know these days ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now. Baby, our love is gonna burn it down. Burn it down.
So friends, the first cow that I'm going to be showing you is this black cow, and the price of single cow is 6,50,000, and there is a pair of them, which means that the total price is 13 lakh. So these cows are bought for 13 lakh, and as you can see these are really big cows, so have a look at them.
One spark of your lightning, blazing up through the darkest nights. Hold your breath, babe, the smoke is burning.
So friends, the person who owned all these cows, sheep and goats was a really respectful person, and he showed me every single one of his goats, sheep and cows, and I touched everyone and I saw them, and they were really awesome, and it was a really awesome experience, and these all animals were ready to sacrifice.
You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now. Baby, our love is gonna burn it down. Burn it down.
So friends, further on this street we found another cow, and we are now going to be going there and seeing that cow. So friends, this was our next cow. I asked the children standing over there that was it aggressive, and they said no, but when I touched it I got to know that these were really aggressive cows. However, these were really beautiful cows, and I was pretty scared touching them, but overall these were really pretty and I loved them. So yeah. So everyone, this next cow was really beautiful, but it was a really aggressive cow, and I didn't dare touch him because he was charging at me like a bull. But it had really great colors, black and white, and it looked really awesome. So have a look at it too. So friends, this was the third cow that was tied in this place. However, it was a really gentle cow, and I liked petting him. So viewers, now we are going to be going on the next street, and over there they have a camel tied, so let's go over there. So viewers, this was also a really big cow, and the price of this cow was 3,60,000, and it was a really gentle cow. This was also one of a very aggressive cow, and even the cameraman ran away. So friends, this was our next cow and its price was 2,55,000 and it was a really gentle giant. So friends, these 3 cows were raised when they were young and now they are going to be sacrificed. As you can see, these are really beautiful animals, so yeah, have a look at them. So friends, here it is our final animal and this is a camel and now I'm going to be touching it. I was really scared and my friends were teasing it that I could not touch it, but I tried it and now I'm going to try to touch it. So yeah. So yes friends, I finally got the courage to touch this camel and it was a real gentle giant because I was touching it and it was minding its own business. So yeah, also have a look at it too. So friends, this was a really awesome experience and I loved it and I was amazed to see such beautiful cows and camels and goats. So that's it, that's the end of my video. I hope you like my video and if you did, why not support us by pressing that subscribe button and why not give this video a thumbs up. So that's it from my side. I hope you like my video. That's it. Allah Hafiz.